Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss on how to turn an LED on after you clap twice. I think you will be excited for this video. So without a further ado, let's go to the Arduino IDE so I could show you how this code actually works. All right. In this first two lines, I've set two variables for the sound pin. Sorry, not variables. I've said to the it's like a kind of saying to the Arduino, I've connected the sound pin onto the D2 and the LED pin onto the 13th. Right, so we'll be using one sound sensor. I'll show it to you, and one LED. All right, so it's very easy to do. So first, you can see that we are going to create a variable called clap count, which starts at 0, and then this will store the amount of times we clap. So here in this program, I'm going to clap twice to turn on the LED, not once. All right. So um, this will check the time between the claps here. So after that, it will set the LED pin onto high mode. So it will turn on the LED. And I'll add a small code to turn it off. All right. So before that, we'll just do this first code to see what happens. So guys, I've got my Arduino UNO and my sound sensor. Here you could observe what it looks like. So my one has 4 pins, one for the VCC, GND, and one for digital output and one for analog output. So you use analog output, so you could actually send numbers through it, and from the digital output, which is also DO, we can use it to simply send if it clapped or not. So that's the pin we'll be using today. So here I've made the code easier for you, so you could do it easily. So first, what you have to do is get your LED, and let me get this to you closer a bit. I think you could see better. So now I'm going to connect my LED here, the long or the anode leg onto the 13th. So we will count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and automatically the G and D pin is also next to the 13th. So that's why I connected it like this. So now you can see that it is lighting up. So I didn't connect it yet, so it still sees it as it has already clapped. So don't mind that. So let's connect our sound sensor. All right, so you'll only need 3 male to female wires here. Zoom out. So first connect this analog output pin here to the digital pin. Sorry, my bad, it's digital output to the D second pin, which is right here, and then via the VCC pin like this onto the 5-volt pin of the Arduino here. So when GND 5-volt, and then connect the ground to the GND pin of the Arduino. So it's right here, and then as you can see the LED marked. All right, so now let me reset the board. So now you can see that the LED is off. So now I'll clap twice. All right, so watch closely, and now you can see that the LED lights up. So I've not included to clap it off. So now let's move back onto the Arduino IDE and then I'll show you how we could make it to turn off after we clap twice. All right, I've added a small code. So here I'm also going to create a bool type variable here. So it's called LED state. false. It will start on false, and then if I clap twice, it will turn the LED on. And then if I clap twice again, it will set the LED pin to low and turn off the LED. So it's that simple. So this will temporarily store if it's on or off on the Arduino UNO. All right. So now let me upload it. And now let's go and see how it works. Alright guys, so now I just uploaded the code, and now let's try it again. Alright, so this time it will turn off after I clap twice after it's on. So let's try. It turned on, it turns off. So well, as you can see, it works both ways. So when you clap it once, nothing will happen. So you have to clap twice to turn it on. All right, so like this, it will turn on, and then if you clap twice again, it will turn off. So that's how the theory works. Let's go back onto my screen. I hope you enjoyed this exciting project. So if you have any problems or something or an error code, you could just email me on my email, imethwimalaweera@gmail.com. And if you have any friends who are interested in Arduino projects like these, you could just share them my YouTube videos. So if you enjoyed this video, you could like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.